Hey there, how you doing? How you doing? Thank you again. This option I like the best with the four. So the first question I have: does, based on the rules I sent you, is this allowed? It being subdivided these amounts. So that's first question. Okay, now the comments and the updates. This road, I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna get permission from the landowner to do this. But keep it here. Just put road 1, right? Then up here, this road supposed to come. So put this as projected road, right? And this one, I want to put a road that can reach these two. But do not take out from these two. Just put like dot, 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 dot. Okay? And put access road. Leave this line, please. Leave it how it is. Just put dots indicating projected road. And then also all the lots, please put the length and the width. Yeah. Then here by these two circles, you see how this is excavated out. So what I want to do when we cut this road, all of the debris and the dirt and stuff, I want to throw it here, but I need information in terms of how high this is, so that we know how much of this have to be filled. How much material we need to fill to be able to fill this. Also by this circle. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Looking forward. Also send me how much you want to charge for this, so then I could send you some money.